Greetings everyone, and welcome to this video on output for multiple linear regression in JASP. As stated in the previous video, we will not be using the stepwise methods for multiple regression, but the first entry method. The model summary table provides a quick summary of the regression model with the multiple correlation coefficient R, the R squared value, which is the proportion of the total variance that is explained by the regression model, the adjusted R squared value, and the RMSE or the root mean square error value. The ANOVA table provides information about the regression model with the F value and the P value of the model. The coefficients table provides us with the unstandardized regression coefficients, the standard errors, standardized regression coefficients, T values for testing the null hypothesis that the population regression coefficient equals 0, the P value, and the 95% confidence intervals for the unstandardized regression coefficient. In the collinearity statistics option, large VIF values or the variance inflation factor values, usually above 4, indicate that multicollinearity might exist and further investigation is required. When VIF is higher than 10, there is significant multicollinearity that needs to be corrected. Tolerance is the inverse of the VIF. The collinearity diagnostics table displays the eigenvalue, condition index, and the variance proportions for each term in the regression equation for each regression model considered and for each element of the scaled, uncentered cross-product matrix. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video on plots.